Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how Canvas AI can create brand photos in literally minutes. So in order to do that, you need to open up your Canva website, then log into your account. And after you log into your Canva account, this home page will open up. So after you see this home page, just navigate your way here to Canva AI and then just type in anything you like to create with its AI. So I'll just show you how it can create literally impressive brand photos in minutes. So I'll just type here, create some impressive brand photos. So it's just creating, let it load up. So as you can see, it just created some interesting brand photos in just literally minutes, like about 1 minute it just took. So that's how you can use Canvas AI to literally create any images that you like. So I would say it's pretty good, but not as good as ChatGPT though. So that's how you can use Canvas AI. So that's it with the video. I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.